Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're looking at how to add files in Claude AI projects. So from your home page on Claude, we're going to click on projects on the left-hand side. So you should already have a project made that you want to add files to. So I'm going to click on my project here, and you've got different options to add files. You can drag and drop a file, or you can use the plus icons, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on the plus icon to add a file. So you can add files like PDFs, Google Docs, or photos. So I'm going to click on the add files section and find a file to upload. So I'll find a PDF. So I'm going to add that PDF, click on open, and that file will be added to my project. So you can add multiple files, or you can delete that file if you don't want it anymore. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.